Hey, this is Gary here from DiecastmanToys. Up front, I'm gonna introduce a couple Winross trucks. First one up is a moving set of trucks. These are double pups. This is Interstate and Global moving. It's got a Ford CL 9000 LT cab. This one is a 75 bucks. Just wanted to show you with it packed up. It's in the large box set. It's not a foam sleeve slide over. I believe this is a newer one. So up next is a Bekins moving. This has a Mac cab. It's a box set. This one is 35. This is in the box. Up next is a Global Worldwide Moving. Has a match, or a Mac cab. Very good condition. This one is 35. And here it is in the box, packed up. Now we got a Mayflower moving. This has a Freightliner cab. It has the springs in it. They did that in the latter part. This one does not have a box. This one's 30 bucks. It will still be boxed up. It just don't have the original. Up next, Winross 40th Club, 1995. It's a special that they had for the 40th year. It's got a Aeromax Ford cab with a sleeper. This one is 35. And this is wrapped up back in the box. Here is a PAL oil. It's on a dual axle on the back. Tanker truck. I believe this is a promotional. This one is 30. And this is back in the box. Again, this is a large box. So it's more of a promo type. Up next, this is a State Farm Show, 80th Pennsylvania. Has a little placard with it. You don't find those too often. This is, I think what they're doing is going for the dairy industry. This is a Ford cab. Looks like it's got like a fairing on the top. This is a Livestock trailer. Those must be really hard to produce. This one's 75. And here, back in the box. Up next is a Dr. Pepper. This also has promotion for the Diet Dr. Pepper as well. It's got the Ford cab. Real nice. This one is 35. And here, back in the box. Here we got Hershey's Hugs. This is a straight truck. Has an international cab, gold unit. I'm not sure if it didn't have any other stamping on it to know whether it was a special or not. This one is 30 bucks. And here it is back in the box. Very nice truck. Up next, we got the 78th Pennsylvania State Farm Show, 1994. I have two of these. One has the placard card, and one has the original bill of sale receipt. Both excellent shape. These are 85 each. And here's one back in the box. Very nice set. I'm gonna stop here right now, and I'll be back later. Show you some more. Figure if I do about 10, 12 trucks at a time, that should do won't overwhelm people. So, got any questions? You can contact me on Facebook or email on the screen there. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the subscribes. Thank you much. Have a good one. Keep buying. The one with the most wins.